it again. Reenactment.
Grant, what did you? Yeah, reenactment.
Bitches.
I'm a professional. I need you to be a professional too and be ready to roll.
Reenactment.
Everyone go, where's the part?
Where's the part?
Has everyone seen
Reenactment.
the part?
Where's the part?
Bitches!
All right.
Sitting right up on the bottom of the heat plate.
You were hiding it
Really?
the whole time, weren't you?
I bet when we were unloading them, it got set up there.
Oh, and it's all
Oh.
clean, too.
Look at that.
Who was unloading?
It was
This asshole right here. Before everybody got here.
Well, that's a good thing, though.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, so
Good
next
Good
week.
job, Grant.
Way to go.
It doesn't even line up, though.
Shake your hair,
I
Grant.
can't even line
Yeah.
up.
Shake the hair.
You try it the other
There you
way.
go. Mash the potatoes.
What that lines up?
Okay, so we need to drill.
And that one's
That one.
one's on good.
Wow.
Like that lines up pretty well.
All right.
Do they look like they're? Oh, this one.
I think they're different.
That one's a little funky.
Well, it could be a right and left.
I doubt it. But is there numbers on them? Let me see.
Are these? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that doesn't.
Not even close.
That's weird.
And even if
Flip
you
it.
spin
It's
it around,
bent. Doesn't it look bent?
well, it's got a lot of things going on.
Yeah, that's from the other 62 Thunderbird.
I don't even line up. I wonder if you got them backwards.
I think it's shrunk in the wash.
Well,
Might shrunk in the wash.
well, here, try it. Let's
that one out.
let's pull this one out. Undo this
That
one
is
since you still have
funky.
gloves on.
That is funky.
That's a
Yeah.
funky shape.
Yeah.
Was that one the same way?
I don't know.
Did you just say it's got
That's it. It's
Eh.
Wait, where did
Yeah,
that just come
got
from?
Gary with technical term?
Oh, dear.
Oh, that's the piece we drilled out. That was I brought that over here as a
Oh,
souvenir.
it's show and tell.
Oh, I think it's actually made.
That's
Maybe.
I think it's
what a
made
bolt
that
looks like when you drill it out and it
That
falls
doesn't
out of the
make any
threaded area.
way. Nothing lines up today.
Cocked.
We're just gonna
That one's too.
All right, so take those bolts out,
take them out.
Maybe they're
Yeah.
to each other.
and then let's look at what these two look like
That's
together.
That's not making any.
Go back to
Is there a
back.
part
Okay,
number
try.
on them, or?
Well, there you go.
Are they both
They match up.
funky like
They're
that?
both funky,
So now swap and see what happens.
but they're not. They're not. They're not opposites. They're the same.
Oh yeah. See, that's really bad.
Oh, so we get to mess with this later.
Oh, Christ.
All right.
Did we? But we didn't bend this, did we?
No, none of that.
Remember
Got
we
bent.
had this in the vise?
None of that got bent.
Lock washers. 4 lock washers.
Gary's
Come
like,
on.
fuck that thing.
Does this one fit that one? Oh god, there's that cotter pin again.
So, we get to monkey with that next week. I mocked up our bushing.
Yeah,
Nobody
well, it's
noticed.
better.
Bushing. Hello.
Not perfect though.
definitely marked up bushing.
Nothing lines up. You sure these are in the right spot, right?
Yes.
The bolts go this way, not the other way.
The bolts go through.
Mm-mm-mm.
We're gonna verify. We'll verify with our videos. And then
The
next
bolts
week
go
we'll
the
have
other way.
everything.
These are reversed.
Dun, dun, dun.
I think you might be right.
You might be right.
Peter, you might be onto something.
You actually might be right.
I think you're onto something.
And the nut.
Which
Wait a
was-
second.
The
If this
nut
is
is held by
The
the.
nut's on the
bracket.
bottom. You're right. Because I remember the bolt is on the radius arm.
no, we'll take these off.
Wait a
And
minute.
Well, wait a minute. Is this
Wait a
is this
second.
the lower
Does this
arm?
go
this is supposed
here?
to be
Yeah,
the
notice
right.
the
go
teeth.
here?
Notice the teeth prints on these.
Yes.
Those go
Yeah,
there.
these are for no.
They go here because
Oh,
these lay
yeah.
on that.
Yeah, you're right.
So this is not part of
That's
this.
not
No,
part
that
of
goes
Those
on top.
bolts go right through here.
No, the bolts
no,
go through
the
from
bolts
the top.
go through from the top like
through
this.
here.
Then they go-
Allie.
then
No,
they go-
the other way.
Then
Wait.
they go this
They go
way?
like this.
No,
No, that doesn't go there.
there.
That's
It
here.
goes here.
That makes
These go
way
here.
more sense.
They go like this.
Okay, what bolts go here?
These go through
Oh,
here.
through there.
And the nuts go on there.
Got it. So you might want to erase the other videos that we
So you
just
think-
did, 'cause
Oh
it
no,
feels
we
like a
do
bunch
that
of
because it's
assholes.
funny.
But
No,
are
it's
these
funny to do
backwards,
that.
you think?
No, the ball joints are
They're
correct
fine.
because the ball joints only
Thank
go
you.
one way.
The nuts?
Yes, that only goes one way.
Sure, it doesn't go
Yes.
the nuts don't go the other,
That
other
only
way.
goes one way.
They
Yeah, they go like that.
So
They
this goes
go
up
on
here?
top of
On
the
top,
radius arm.
which that makes sense now.
This way?
Yeah.
Like
That goes like that in the car. Dun, dun, dun.
So bless you, this is correct.
You sure this both
Or-
go that
Those
way?
are correct.
I'm
Okay.
going to look at the videos this week.
Those are correct.
And
There
I
you
am
go.
going to validate this.
Peter's got 90 videos to watch. He's going to be a very busy man.
It takes a long time to get through them too.
You can fast forward, right?
You can scroll
yeah.
through. You can go,
Yeah.
That's what I do when I figure out what the hell they are about. Like, yeah, okay, that's what happens.
All
So
right.
just take a bunch of
So let's
stills
get
and
this cleaned up
paste them up
here.
on the
This
wall
is
as you go.
okay.
Yeah. All right, so let's tidy up.
We gotta wheel these
Tidy
things
up.
back in the
Tidy
other room.
up. Tidy up.